Revolut Metal is the most exclusive account from Revolut, and while it's their most expensive plan, in our opinion, it is the best metal card on the market. In the UK, it costs $12.99 per month, and along with an exclusive metal card, you get a ton of great benefits. However, Revolut does have cheaper paid accounts that share many of these benefits and may be a better fit for you. So for this review, we'll not only look at the benefits of Revolut Metal, but also how it stacks up against Revolut Plus and Revolut Premium. Let's start with the price. As I said, in the UK, it's £12.99. In Europe, it's $13.99, and in the US, $16.99. And although that's a monthly charge, this plan does require a yearly commitment. And if you do choose to pay for the year up front, it can be up to 20% cheaper. This will result in a monthly price of £10 or €11.25, or in the US, $12.25. One of the biggest things that draws people to Revolut Metal is the exclusive metal card. This is an 18-gram piece of metal that's fashioned from a single sheet of steel and is available in 5 different finishes. This includes space gray, silver, gold, rose gold, and black metal. And when you do make transactions with your metal card in any of the 30 currencies supported by Revolut, you'll receive cashback. In Europe, you'll receive a 0.1% cashback on transactions and 1% outside of Europe. This is also capped monthly at the cost of your subscription. You can also receive cashback for sending gift cards from top brands, and this is 4% with the metal plan. Unless you're going to send a lot of gift cards or perhaps spend a lot of money outside of Europe, the cashback really isn't that enticing, although it could potentially help offset the cost of the metal plan. If you're a frequent traveler, Revolut Metal has a number of features that might benefit you. With a metal account in the UK and Europe, you'll be allowed up to 3 fee-free international payments per month, and you can withdraw up to £800 or euros for free every month anywhere in the world. For US account holders, you'll get a whopping 10 fee-free international payments, and ATM withdrawals are also fee-free when you withdraw money from any of the 55,000 ATMs within the Revolut network. If you withdraw outside of the network, you'll be able to withdraw up to $1,200 fee-free. If you're in the UK or Europe, these fee-free ATM limits are significantly better than Revolut Premium, which in the UK and Europe is limited to £400 or euros, while in the US it's the same regardless of your plan. However, if you do intend to withdraw a large amount of currency each month and you are from Europe or the UK, then Revolut Metal could be the plan for you. With both Premium and Metal, you'll also receive travel insurance, which covers medical emergencies, including activities such as skiing and snowboarding. You'll also get flight insurance for trips of up to 40 days and insurance for delayed luggage. This basically means that if your luggage is delayed and not returned to you within 4 hours, you'll be insured up to £400 or the currency equivalent for any clothing, medication, or toiletries you might need. If a flight you're traveling on is delayed more than an hour, you and 3 friends, which I believe is 2 more than Revolut Premium, can also get free airport lounge passes. Revolut basically has a partnership with a company called Lounge Key that facilitates access to airport lounges all around the world. They have a handy website where you can search for available lounges. Finally, if you choose to rent a car while you're abroad, exclusive to the Metal plan, Revolut will cover the excess of your car rental insurance policy for the first 31 days of your trip. Let's say you hire a car and it's stolen. The car hire company will of course have insurance, but there will be an excess to pay. And that's where Revolut will come in. They can cover up to £2,000 for the theft or damage of your rental car. Although when it comes to the rental car excess or any of the other insurance offerings from Revolut, definitely do check out their insurance policy document. There are certain stipulations to each policy that could catch people out. For example, with the car rental excess, the car must have been rented a distance of at least 200 kilometers from your home address, otherwise you won't be covered. On top of travel insurance, Revolut Metal includes insurance for purchases made with your card. This is very much like a regular credit card, and it gives you purchase protection in case of accidental damages or thefts for up to £10,000 or euros. And that's significantly more than Revolut Premium, which is just £2,500 or euros. And as far as I can tell, this isn't available to Revolut account holders in the US. Also, like the cheaper paying plans, you'll get event protection up to £1,000 or euros per year. This basically means that if an event you'd plan to attend is cancelled, or perhaps you're unable to attend, you will be refunded the face value of the ticket. Revolut has something known as vaults, and these are basically like a separate account where you can deposit money from your main account and potentially earn interest while avoiding the temptation of spending it. With Revolut Metal, vaults are available in the UK, US, and some European countries. This means that for every £1,000 you keep in a vault for a year, you'll earn £7 in interest after 12 months. This isn't a huge amount, but could be a useful way to offset the cost of the Metal plan. In Europe, not only Metal account holders, but Revolut customers in general will likely be seeing new saving products coming this year. I don't know much about this right now, but I just noticed this message on the Revolut European website and also on the plan's comparison page. This would indicate that Revolut is bringing out new saving products in 2022. And in the US, the potential interest you can earn with Revolut Metal is pretty poor. At the time of recording this, you'll only receive 0.07% APY, which translates to 70 cents for $1,000, which is held over a year. Also, as far as I can tell, this is exactly the same for Revolut Premium account holders in the US. You do, however, on top of all of this, get monthly bonus interest on an amount of your savings that's equivalent to your spending. This might sound a bit confusing. It basically means that you'll get a bonus, an annual of 4.5%, which divided by 12 months is 0.367%. Basically, if you have, let's say, $1,000 in a vault and you spend $1,000 with a Revolut card over a month, you would earn an interest of $3.67, and you'd receive it the following month. It's not a huge amount, but it'll certainly help offset the cost of the plan. Revolut Metal also allows you to open a commission-free investment account. So you can trade stocks and shares like Amazon and Apple for free. That said, Trading 212, Fidelity, and for example, eToro in the UK all offer commission-free trading, so perhaps I would think twice if that's the only thing that's enticing you into choosing Revolut Metal. In-app, you'll also be able to buy gold and silver, which is stored with a third-party financial institution. And while this service is available to all Revolut users, the exchange fee is reduced from 1.5% to 0.5% for premium and Metal accounts. In-app, you can also set up notifications for when something you own, such as gold, hits a particular price. You can also view the latest market news for particular stocks, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies, which with Revolut you can trade. And their regular markup of 2.5% is lowered to 1.5% for Metal and Premium customers. That's still pretty high though, given that most crypto exchange fees are well below 1%, but you might value the convenience of being able to trade directly from your Revolut account. With Revolut Metal, if you exchange currency as a Premium or Metal customer and during the week, it will always be fee-free and you'll only ever receive the real mid-market exchange rate. If you exchange currency during the weekend, regardless of the plan you're on, you will incur a slight exchange rate markup. Now, if you're someone that frequently exchanges and sends money internationally, then the Metal account could save you some money in fees. You can exchange your money for a different currency during the week for free, and as I mentioned earlier, account holders in the UK and Europe can send it internationally for free up to 3 times per month, and in the US up to 10 times. Along with everything I've mentioned so far, with Revolut Metal, you'll also get unlimited disposable virtual cards, as well as the ability to open up 5 Revolut Junior accounts for children, which is up from 2 with Premium. Also, any card you order is delivered for free with express shipping. And finally, you'll get 24/7 priority customer support. Whenever I need help from Revolut's customer support, it's always relatively quick and easy. I seem to be able to speak to an agent within 1 to 2 minutes. However, I have seen complaints online about Revolut's customer service, especially towards slow response times, and also people often complain about the fact they don't have a telephone number for support. If this is important to you though, and you're in the UK, Monzo does have a telephone support number and a premium account, which is similar to Metal, but slightly more expensive at £15 per month. And if you do want to choose Revolut Metal, please do use the link in the description box, as it's an affiliate link, so by clicking it, you'll be supporting Monito and helping us make more videos like this one. At a first glance, Revolut Metal is well worth the monthly subscription. But if you look a little deeper, you'll see that Revolut Metal's true competitor is not another bank. It's actually Revolut Premium. This account shares many of the features that Metal has. Unless you often rent cars or frequently make international payments and need more than 2 Revolut Junior accounts, Premium is probably a better option and only costs £6.99 in the UK, £7.99 in Europe, and £9.99 in the US. That's nearly 50% cheaper than Metal. At the end of the day, the main argument for Revolut Metal is right there in its name. If you do really want a Metal card, it's generally the cheaper option among the other neobanks, and it's made even cheaper by the yearly payment option and those cashback features that could help offset the cost. I hope you found today's video useful. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you'd like to support Monito, please do click subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.